The IntelFAB dry powder production system. Our system is composed by two coupled hardware and software, Origami and CloudFAB. In just 6 square meters, the hardware Origami conserves, doses, mixes raw materials, packing the final product in a single bag or bucket. The entire production is tracked and data are stored. CloudFAB is the first software 100% parametric equipped with an exclusive logic full cloud. Origami is composed by 7 main units: upper and lower loading units for raw materials, a weighing unit for material dosing, a mixing unit, and a packing unit. Operator works through a control unit, while the main electronic parts are inside the switchgear. There are two types of standard mixers: vertical mixer and horizontal mixer. A vertical mixer is extremely flexible. Product interchanges are fast. Cleaning is easy. There is a huge door on the top side of the mixer that make it easy to inspect. An horizontal mixer has an high productivity. It is integrable in a production chain, then the material flow is continuous. However, standard mixers have many disadvantages. A vertical mixer is not integrable in a production chain. During mixing, part of the material remains on the bottom. An horizontal mixer is difficult to clean and there is no well mixing on the sides. Any standard is a carpentry product. Increased complexity of parts implies high costs and impossibility for fast cleaning also. The mixing unit of Origami born from a mixer fusion of the two standard types, in which we eliminated any limitation of the standard systems, improving every advantage of them. The patented Origami mixer has a bottom section smaller than in vertical mixers that guarantees perfect material transport. Mixing is more efficient and faster than in horizontal mixer. Material dispersion is perfect. The mixing chamber is loaded only for 1/3, so very high turbulent mixing have two main characteristics: high peripheral mixing speed and fall of the material to the center. The mixer is integrated in a production chain extremely smaller than standard systems. The flexibility is demonstrated by a production changeover inferior to 3 minutes gray-gray and 10 minutes red-white. As the vertical mixer, it is easy to inspect and to clean. It presents a large unit door. Few parts are inside the unit. It can be used in manual mode. There is a double cleaning effect, for mechanical removal by contact and removal by air turbulence. Only 10 minutes to clean manually, 2 minutes automatically. Maintenance is fast. All spare parts are fixed by standard screw only. Then the entire mixer can be substituted in less than 3 hours. The Origami packing unit is perfectly coupled with the mixing unit. Packaging is highly flexible, with the possibility of different pack types, dimensions and weights, from 5 up to 33 kilos. There is no material transport. After mixing, in the standard packing system, the material is conveyed for a long distance, from the mixer till the pack. In Origami, only for 30 centimeters. Then there is no material separation till the pack, even for materials with different densities. Thanks to the patented pending discharge valve, the material flows only in a vacuum pipe. This implies self-cleaning, no mechanical parts wearing, no contamination, no holder for weighing. The system weighs the material directly inside the pack. Silos. In standard systems, silos compromise complexity. They are often locked and unmovable. In origami, they do not limit the number of raw materials used in a single plant. The automated system can contemporarily manage more silos with dedicated screw conveyor, up to 7 in the default configuration. Silos are interchangeable, then there is no contamination without losing time. Lower units interchange requires 25 minutes. Upper units only 10 minutes. Origami is a complex electronic mostly concentrated in the compact switch gear. The main parts are a 4-core fileless PC, an HD board, 2 inverters, 3 analog-digital amplifiers, 4 TCP/IP web servers. Despite its complexity, origami electronic is simple to manage. Components interchange is easy, even thanks to numerous standard components. Communication takes place by standard web protocol. Energy consumption is quite low, less than 7 kW in the worst case. What you are seeing now is the main menu of our software IntelFAB. IntelFAB is the interface between origami and operator that monitors and traces the work of both, from raw material loading till the final pack. At every step, IntelFAB guides the operator through intuitive screen views, all working with more than 50,000 parameters. A parametric software as IntelFAB is fundamental. Working with thousands of information, it guarantees perfect traceability and optimal production. The system is structured with 4 main types of parameters. Raw materials parameters. Each raw material is managed with its individual logic. Process parameters, connected to product family. Single machine parameters, individual setting with requested precision. Packing parameters. We can take as example the packing phase. This event occurs through the interaction of 3 parts: blades rotation inside the mixer, opening and closing of the discharge valve, weighing of the pack during loading. Hundreds of parameters have to be managed and they change at any production. These are related to type of product, quantity of mixture, pack type, dimensions and weight, variable flow rate that depends on mixture density and solid viscosity, unit vibration, blade rotary speed, instantaneous mixer load. At the same time, all data are stored and traced, millisecond by millisecond. Our kind of platform is an exclusive logic full cloud, managed through our software IntelFAB. We have 3 dedicated hardware and software: Rosetta and Cloud Lab as assisting system for lab formulation, Toke and Tangram as assisting system for compound production, Origami and IntelFAB, that is our fully integrated production plant. These IntelFAB systems give complete traceability to the entire production chain, from the lab formulation till the final pack. Let's start with the lab formulation with our software Cloud Lab. We are searching a target product with specific properties. The operator hypothesizes a first formulation from which he starts a series of experiments. Some raw materials are managed as variables, then he can add quantities experiment by experiment, while the software calculates and stores data. Each experiment is traced with all test results stored, negative and positive ones. If no experiment has the requested result, the operator generates a new formulation, repeating cycling procedures. If an experiment has the requested result, that one becomes the target product to be produced. The compound production is assisted through our software Tangram. Formula is obtained from the lab through IntelFAB. When raw materials enter in the plant, all sensitive data, such as origin and certifications, are stored and traced with a specific code. Real quantities of blended raw materials are traced and associated to batch. After packaging, each compound pack is treated with a unique specific code. Final production with origami is monitored through IntelFAB. Even in this case, formula came from the lab after approbation. All sensitive data about local raw materials are saved and traced with a specific code. Chemical kits came from compound production with a specific code for each one that contains all past information. During production, all parameters are registered. Finally, each produced pack has a unique specific code associated with all production chain data. All tracked information and data are managed and stored in your private cloud platform. You can access to laboratories, plants, and information in security with a simple web browser from all around the world. So why use IntelFAB? Because we can offer the best product quality with perfect mixing, no contamination, and no separation of the components. Because our system is extremely flexible, we ensure fast production interchange, smart raw materials managing, various pack types with a single plant. We offer a full integrated platform that covers all the production chain, from raw material till final pack, with a complete traceability. Thanks to having watched this video. For any question, contact us or visit our website.